Hi there, is Frank in? Yeah, brilliant. Deepak. Yep. Frank, put me through to Frank. Cheers. The Receptionist Bulldoze. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl+Lemon+Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK as well as the USA and serving clients worldwide. And here today, in day number 76 of 119 days of cold calling training, we're here to talk about the Receptionist Bulldoze. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link in the description below to get access to 17 additional strategies that are not shared in this training. So fundamentally, you are going to come up against the receptionist or the gatekeeper, and oftentimes it's going to be that he or she who's going to stand in your way to success of just talking to the DM, the decision maker. So with this in mind, I want to talk about a strategy that relates to bulldozing. Now, when I say bulldoze, what I mean is literally if this is a door or if this is the obstacle, then you push your way through the obstacle, okay? You blow it to smithereens. And the way that you do that in this instance is oftentimes through perceived authority and dominance, okay? So perceived authority and dominance, so the AD effect. With the receptionist bulldoze, what will happen is that you'll have someone who will answer the phone and say, you know, let's just imagine you're calling Dorothy Perkins, okay? The retailer. I think they're a retailer, the clothes company anyway. Hello, Mandy Hello, Mandy. Hi, it's Mandy speaking from Dorothy Perkins, or it might be, hello, Dorothy Perkins, or it might be, hello, how can I help you? Something to that effect. You get someone who picks up the phone, and in that instance, what you need to do is display authority, and you display that through tonality. Hi there, put me through to Richard. Put me through to Richard. Put me through to Richard. So it can be almost bordering upon being a little bit rude, but with a dominant edge. So, hi there, is Richard? Hi there, can you put me through to Richard? Hi there, is Richard in? Hi there, Richard. Richard, thanks. Richard, please. Okay. So do you see that it's quite short and quite sharp in the way that someone who's quite a busy individual would say it? So someone answers, "Hi there, is Richard speaking," and instead of mirroring and mimicry, now you are contracting your sentences and you're going for urgency. Okay. So the play here is urgency and importance, and urgency and importance in this instance are proxies for authority and dominance, because it sounds like it's important. It sounds like it's urgent. Hey, is Richard in? Yep. Deepak. Thanks. He'll, so with those kinds of elements, oftentimes you can fundamentally give the receptionist the impression that, wow, this is important. This is someone, you know, who has some level of authority. I'm just going to put him straight through. Okay. It doesn't always work, but maybe 2 to 3 times out of 5. So half the time, let's say, half the time it will work simply through the Richard, please. Do you see how short it is? So someone says, hi, hi there, Dorothy Perkins, Mandy speaking, and then you answer quite shortly and sharply. Let's slow it down now. Richard, please. Do you hear the difference in my tone and how that dominant play can ultimately really help with getting you past a gatekeeper, especially when the receptionist is going to typically ask, who is it? What's it regarding? And then she will potentially tell Richard, who's just next to her, and Richard will maybe just say I'm busy, say I'm in a meeting, sack it off, I don't want it. They'll have some kind of internal agreement as to what happens with any call that they perceive. Typically, sales calls are going to be a waste of time, because typically most sales calls are a waste of time, because typically they're ineffective. And that's what we want to get around. And typically the way that, I'm using that word a lot now, but the way that most people, when they cold call, will call and speak to a receptionist to say, hi there, could I speak to Richard Dawkins, please? Yeah, my name's Matthew. My name's Deepak. I'm calling from Pearl+Lemon+Sales. Yeah, sure. I was hoping to speak to Richard about XYZ. And as soon as you say, I was hoping to speak about, or as soon as sometimes you give the, let's say, pitch to the receptionist, or there's enough information for her to determine, him or her to determine that, well, this is a sales call, then they'll quickly potentially sack the damn thing off. So this is where the authority and dominance really does come into play. There's of course still the possibility that they're gonna sack it off anyway, but that bulldoze specifically in this context is Richard in? Yeah, Deepak. That style is Richard in? Deepak. So hi there, good afternoon, Dorothy Perkins. Is Richard in? Who's speaking? Deepak. Can you put me through, please? Even can you put me through, please, does verge on the rude side of this, and being British, it's a bit weird being rude, but fundamentally, even if you drop the can you put me through, please? Is Richard in? Hey, can you put me through to Richard? It's Deepak. Okay. And then you could extend it even further when they say, can I ask why you're calling? I've been trying to, look, please, if you could just put me through. I've been trying to ring Richard on his mobile this morning. It's important. Then you do stand a chance of potentially getting through. So I've been trying, so the two additional elements or the three additional elements, can you just put me through, please? Can you just put me through, please? Like with a tinge of frustration in your voice. And then also, it's what do you call it? It's Richard. Also, I've been trying to get hold of him on his mobile. It's important. Those elements, if you combine all of them together, they're fundamentally going to really support your ability to bulldoze past the receptionist. So with the receptionist bulldoze, it's really all about urgency and tonality, domination, and authority. Those kinds of elements demonstrated through short, sharp words and tone of voice will oftentimes help you push past the receptionist. And I'd say half the time this can work. We'll go on and talk about the other styles to get past the receptionist in the next videos.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.